This is how to withdraw from YSense. This YSense withdrawal method will help you to get paid directly to your bank account in your country. You can see I've already gotten paid over $45 from this website, and I'll be showing you a real demo of how to cash out this my current available balance step by step to your bank account in your country. Ensure you watch this video to the end. You will get to learn about 23 websites that pay me regularly in Nigeria. But first, do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, click that notification bell. You will get to know as I publish my videos every week. Thank you so much for doing this for me. How do you get paid from YSense? Let me show you. For you to cash out your money, you click here. YSense have multiple ways to get paid. You can get paid with AirTM. You can use Zalando gift cards. You can get paid with Amazon gift cards. I've done video of how to get paid with Amazon gift cards. This is a video of how I get paid with Amazon gift cards on YSense. The link of the video will come out here. You can watch this video later. You can also get paid using Scree on this platform. To get paid with Scree, you have to have from $5 and above. You can also get paid using Payoneer, PayPal, and Amazon gift cards of other countries. But my number one recommendation is getting paid using AirTM. So to do that, you need to have from $5 and above. And you can see I have $10 that I can withdraw right now. You click AirTM. The first thing you need to do to get paid with AirTM is for you to sign up with AirTM. If you use my link, which is below the description of this video, AirTM will give you a free $3 sign up bonus if you use that link. Ensure you use the same email address you use for your YSense to sign up to AirTM. Don't forget I have over $10, and you can see you can get paid from $5 to $100, and you can see the remaining of these are padlocked. The only one that is unlocked is $5 and $10, and that's because I have $10 and above. So as soon as you reach this threshold, all this will be unlocked for you. So for you to withdraw, like I'm going to withdraw $10 right now, then you click redeem. You can see great choice. Let's verify your order. So the first thing they need to do is to verify your order. The website will verify if you are the owner of the account before they can allow the withdrawal to be completed. So you will scroll down. You can see you have to confirm. You see your name, you see your email address, and you click confirm. So as soon as you confirm, thank you, your order has been placed. $10 has been deducted from your account for this purchase. If you check my balance again, you can see $10 has been deducted from my account, and they will instantly send a message to your email. Look at it, your $10 payment deposit reward. When you click it, you can see congratulations, your redemption request for $10 AirTM deposit reward has been received. Look at this message. Rewards are often delivered between 2 to 3 days, but in some cases may take up to 10 business days. We will send you an additional email when your $10 AirTM deposit is ready. So you'll be expecting an email as soon as they send the money to your AirTM. You can see I just received this email from AirTM. Prodige sent you $10. Also, YSense sent me an email too. You can see we've completed your $10 AirTM deposit, and you can see this is the deposit inside my AirTM platform. I received this money 10 days after initiating the deposit from YSense. All you need to do to cash out your money to your bank account in your country is to click withdraw. You click withdraw. You have over 500 options of payment methods. You click search payment methods. You can withdraw to your bank in your country. You can collect cash. You can transfer and convert your money to cryptos, to e-wallet, gift cards. If your option is to transfer this money to bank, you click bank. As soon as you click bank, you see so many banks. Most banks of all countries are on this list, including your bank in your country. So all you need to do is to search for your bank in your country. You will just type your country. My country is Nigeria. This is Nigeria Bank. Most countries, you have two options. You can transfer to your local bank account, and you can transfer to your domiciliary account in your country. That is dollars. For instance, if it's your local bank account, like for Nigeria, you click Nigeria. This is exactly what you are going to see. Naira first. Since I have $10 here, and for me to know the exchange and the amount I will get, you can switch over here. This is dollar you have. This is the amount I have. For you to know how much you will get, if it is direct transfer, you get 15,610 naira. If it is peer-to-peer, you get 16,591 naira. So you just switch back, choose whatever option you want, follow the step-by-step process. For you to know how to do this step by step, I did a real demo. The link of a video will come out here of how you can transfer from AirTM to any bank in the world. You can watch this video later. Don't forget that you can claim $3 free sign-up bonus from AirTM. That is, if you use my link, AirTM will give you a gift of $3 for signing up. Ensure you watch this video to the end. You'll be able to see other websites that will pay you with AirTM. Thank you. You can now get paid and cash out your earnings on YSense using AirTM. Don't forget to use the links below the description of this video to sign up and start making money with YSense. And also, you can also claim a free $3 sign-up bonus with AirTM, and that will help you to get paid directly to your bank account in your country. Do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Thank you so much for doing this for me. Another thing you need to do is this. You need to watch the next video. These are 23 websites and apps that makes money for me every day in Nigeria. The best of those apps are towards the end of that video. So ensure you watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.